Hello again, everybody. It's Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and you remember from the last video I got the first box of 2 from Safety First IFAKs, which has got all these goodies in it that you saw in part 1. And guess what? The second box came today. So let's take a look and see what's in there. So here it is. It's a long, flat one, but it is heavy. Lots of stuff in there. Oh, go from the other side. Probably easier for you to see without me knocking the camera over. All right. Let's see. Got one bag here. We've got 4x4 gauze, 3x3 gauze, a whole bunch of gauze in there. I know he sent me a bunch. We got a Sharpie. We got hydrocortisone cream, triangular bandage, some tape, bleed stop. Oh, wait, there's more. All right, and we got a bunch of, got some liquid skin, tissues, more tape, and this is the tape that is not sticky. This is basically your bandage, elastic bandage support tape on there. Okay. And we've got some more Novasan here, which is antibacterial, antimicrobial, bunch of stuff. This is good for dogs, humans, everything, because you know Corey knew that we were going to be taking the dogs on the trip. It's going to be the wife, both kids, dogs. We got crazy glue. Now you know you can use this in a worst case scenario if you got an open cut and you can't get it stitched up. Let's see, more skin prep pads. That's not all. We got some emergency ponchos, just in case you get caught out on the rain, you want to stay dry. We've got a whole bunch of gloves in here, cotton tipped applicators, another Sharpie. You know, so we got emergency blankets. We've got everything. So this here is the second of 2 boxes. Hopefully you can see everything here. I can get it all in screen. So this is box number 2 of our giant first aid and medical kit from Safety First IFAKs. So in the next video, I'm going to break down all the stuff from box number 1, all the stuff from box number 2. We'll get it all organized. We'll get it packed into separate packs. And yeah, so this is a super comprehensive kit. So I mean, I cannot thank those guys enough over at Safety First IFAKs for getting us prepped for our big trip. Like I said before, it's you know, better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So that's it. That's going to be our giant first aid kit that's going on the trip with us. And get ready. I'll have part 3 and we'll break down these things individually, show you everything that's in it, and talk about the uses. So hope you enjoyed this. Please check out the link below to Safety First IFAKs. They make a great setup. They've got a small, a medium, a large. They can do custom stuff. This is all custom from them. He's probably going to yell at me for telling you you can do custom stuff, but hey, he's there to help people. But yeah, I'll put the link down to their site below. Check them out. Get yourself set up. Put it in your backpack when you go hiking. Put it in your car for all the time. You never know when something might creep up on you. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. Check out the links below, and do me a favor. Make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button. It's real important. The more likes and subscribes we have, the more videos I'm going to make. We've got all kinds of stuff coming out. Cool gear to try out, cool camp recipes to show off, all kinds of stuff. So that's it for now, everybody. This is the part 2 of the giant first aid kit from Safety First IFAKs. Look out for part 3 where I break it all down. Happy trails, everybody.